Cisco is looking at everything holistically, where networking and security are embedded together at the base foundation. I don't see many other vendors being able to do that. The big thing is how do you stay on top of the technology? The best part of Cisco Networking Academy is that they have a life cycle for their curriculum. They have built a hierarchy infrastructure. It's not like, here's a course, you go out and you're all alone. Cisco says, no, we're going to build an infrastructure to support you in the classroom. They provide us through Global Instructor Professional Development Weeks, where they do webinars that keep us current. The one thing about this curriculum is you can do virtual access to packets and network simulators, but there's a real push and support by Cisco Network Academy for the equipment. And once students step into my lab and they see 75 routers and switches, and they're like, wow, I'm going to learn something real. So for a student getting a CyberOps certification, they are learning the breadth of all the different software that you can use to protect our world.